What's inside the Well Bebe Method? Well, let's have a look.
We built the system to be super accessible and mobile friendly for new parents. It's basically like having an app in your hands. I know you don't have a lot of time, so I've organized all the information in bite-sized sections with absolutely no fluff. Videos are all shot in super HD quality, showing simple to understand and actionable advice. There are 4 robust booklets full of handouts and worksheets to further your education, track your progress, and ensure adherence to the plan. The modules cover sleep, activities, well-being, and of course, nutrition. From breast and bottle feeding to starting solids, allergenic foods, do's and don'ts, we have all your bases covered in order to start your little one's nutrition journey from day 1 and beyond. Our goal here is to create little foodies. Our resource library is a fantastic place to find exactly what you're looking for. Search through hundreds of my resources in seconds using our very own built-in search engine to find the information you need right at your fingertips. If you'd like to further explore my sleep training component, my Well Bebe Method Plus program dives into holistic, responsive methods where we can ensure baby sleeps 11 to 12 hours a night. We go step by step and day by day. Our Well Bebe day planners are our groundbreaking schedulers that will help manage your day and ensure baby's needs are fully met. We have one for every month of first year. These planners are customizable, mobile, desktop, and printer friendly. To sign up for the program, visit wellbebe.com and check out your options. Can't wait to see you there, mama.